So hi all, welcome to VIEH Job Search series. So today we are having another opening for the role VAPT. So let's explore it out what actually the job is. So the company name is Ozaz Cybersecurity, and a little bit more info about this company is the role is, as I told you, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, and these are the couple of more information about this job. Role is the company is basically from Mumbai. If you get hired, then you need to work from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and experience required for this job role is 1 to 2 years. Means if you have little bit certification of internship or some kind of another uh, internship experience, then you may get this job if you have minimum of 1 year. Later on, let's move to the next slide. They are the specific job skills and descriptions specifically required for this job role is first thing is the you should have experience, a strong experience in web application security, uh, especially in penetration testing and VAPT as well. VA as well. Another thing is you need to have experience in web services, knowledge of OWASP standard, good to have code review experience. You should have knowledge about mobile applications as well, and for sure it's cyber security, so good communication skills is required. So I don't think so. This is a very vast thing that actually the company is asking from your side. This is a basic thing I get. Guess most of people, those who are in cybersecurity from last couple of 2 or 3 years, you may have all these basic knowledge. Later on, how to apply? This is the mail ID silpa.e@ozhas.com. On this mail ID, you need to drop your resume along with the subject for what you are applying, and yeah, that's all for this video. If you found something fishy or anything, just let us know in the comment box. Or if you got selected, if you have any query, anything, just let us know in this comment box and we'll do proceed accordingly. So thanks for watching this video once again. Have a great day. Jai Hind.